See, what are we making here?
Candy cane.
We're making candy cane. What kind of candy?
No, come here. Sugar cookie.
Say hi to the family, Ashley.
Olaf.
Say hi to Fluffy.
Look at the dough on my face.
Oh, yummy.
She does have
Look, Casey's standing on the couch. I'm going to get her in trouble. She's trying to take a picture of them.
Midnight, you don't have a head.
Going back to Samantha. Samantha's very content. What kind of shapes are we making?
I got a star, a tree, a candy cane, and an angel. In the bathroom picture. Give me that.
Okay, Samantha. Hey, where are you going?
Getting this. You said to eat something.
Casey, what are you doing?
It.
Ew.
Look, I'm gonna eat it.
Yummy. Do I get any?
Yeah.
Give me some.
I'll give you some.
Ah.
Why don't you want these? Anybody want my red thingies? Little ball? Red? Yeah.
Ew, ew, ew. No, don't throw it. Don't throw it. Just give it to me.
Uh-oh. Yay! I gave it to her. You want to watch me?
Oh, you're going to get in trouble.
You want to watch me?
You want these?
What's that? Oh,
Sex.
that's
Yeah.
for show. Don't. Oh no, where'd it go?
Yeah. My phone's ringing. Get off of it!
Oh, of course. Casey's phone is ringing.
Come watch me. Come watch me.
Oh wait, we gotta watch Casey dance. You know I'm gonna show this on Christmas Eve. You know that, right?
I'll dance with you.
Ow! Ow! Singing a Justin Timberlake song?
It was my profile song for a little bit.
What is this world coming to? Zoom in on Casey's bottom. That's cute little cheeky.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Come watch me. Come watch me.
The mother, I don't know how to act. Yeah. I hear Midnight. Midnight, come here.
Is your face all clean now, Midnight?
Wait, that means Ashley's coming.
I lost it.
Samantha, what did you do to it? Wait, move your hand, move your hand. She killed it. That looks like a bird.
Midnight.
Don't eat this. Been licked by the dog. Throw it away.
Midnight. No.
Midnight!
Oh, no.
Hey, listen to me. You be a good dog. Okay. Midnight! Okay, everyone, the camera's gotta go, so everyone say bye. Ashley.
Bye.
Casey, say bye. Say it.
Toodles.
Samantha, say bye.